career fairs happen once every semester. That is the biggest career fair, which is the engineering career fair. I think there are a lot of companies. So it is like one of the biggest career fairs. Like, as you all must be aware that the computer science is like very reputed and is in the Ivy League, UIUC. So there are but like there are many companies who come for software roles, but it's like there are many other companies like who come for consultant roles, some for data analyst roles. So I would say the career fairs are very huge over here. And along with that, there are other career fairs which keep happening. One is one with the math department, with the statistics department, with our high school itself. So the with one with the business career fair. So career fairs are very good over here. 50% of the people did intern at the research park itself, and all of them are working as a part-time intern for this fall semester, including me. So it's a very good opportunity, I would say. And the other people, I would say, through career fairs, yes. Few of my classmates did get calls through career fair, though. So that is how it goes. And apart from that, many of them applied online to other jobs. So the career fairs for internship and full-time jobs are the same. There is no difference. So each company, they will list out their openings, and based on that, we can target what companies do we go and speak to in the career. We have workshops that how one should prepare for career fairs, what one should do, how should we also have services, which help on editing our resume, walking through it, and there are many resources. So once you are here, you can check that out, and you need not prepare a lot from India for the career fairs, because it's very difficult to understand what elevator pitch is about, how one should target companies, what one should do. So once you are here, you have resources helping you. Nor does it mean that someone who does not have an experience in India is not going to get a job easily. So it really depends on your efforts, your skills, what position you are applying to, how you are applying, what is your preparation, what efforts you take. There are only two possibilities when the internship will not get converted to full-time. First thing is when there is no budget, and the second thing is you don't perform at all. So if these two constraints are not there, there are 90% chances your internship should be.